Are you a computer engineer or geology expert or a commerce graduate? Are you confused about building your career in GIS? Don't worry, GIS is for everyone. If you have passion to excel and interest in GIS, then you can build your career in it. In this video, we will talk about various areas in which you can develop your expertise and build career in GIS. To know about career opportunities in GIS, first we need to understand what is GIS. Academic definition says that GIS is a computerized mechanism to capture, store, display, query and analyze geographic data. If you study the definition carefully, it talks about various verticals within GIS system. First vertical is geography itself, that is study of land, inhabitants and features on the surface of the earth. So, if anything that is on the surface of the earth, it can be brought into the GIS and further analyzed. If you look around, almost everything on the surface of the earth. I am on the earth, my nearest ice cream shop is on the earth, and the route which I will be taking to reach to the shop is also on the surface of the earth. So all these information can brought into the GIS, but somebody is required to capture my coordinate, location of the ice cream shop and the road network information and put it into the standard format which can be pushed into the GIS system. And this opens one of the largest opportunity in GIS, that is GIS data preparation and data management. We will talk about this opportunity in detail. Second vertical is information, that is converting available data into information, which can help us to derive information and help us in taking decision making. This provides another huge opportunity for the people who can compile the data from various sources of information, operate the GIS software, and apply spatial intelligence and develop a decision support system. A system which can contribute towards solving certain critical issues or provide better efficient way of doing things. Third vertical is system. In my 20 years of GIS career, I have seen many GIS implementation which have failed or failed to achieve desired success due to poor system performance. I mean a simple query taking too long time for or frequent downtime of GIS system can lead to poor customer satisfaction. GIS offers an excellent career opportunity for the system administrators who can design system architecture which ensures efficient performance and consistent availability. So let us understand all these verticals in detail. If any organization want to use GIS to support their business operation, they require to have some base map for their area of interest. Based on the availability of competent in-house resources, organization may decide to prepare base map in-house or they may outsource it. In both the cases, it is required to procure satellite image with desired resolution and positional accuracy. A person or agency which deals with satellite image preparation, procurement can provide this kind of a services. Once the satellite image is available, it is required to digitize base map, which includes various land-based layers, point of interest, capturing asset location from the field with attributes, and many other activities. Assets for which high accuracy locations are required can be captured through GPS survey. There are multiple agencies which provide this service. Agencies may take the entire data creation job as a fixed price contract or may provide a manpower who can do this job to the organization on a mandate basis. If you prefer fieldwork kind of a job, you like meeting people and working with a large team, then this is where you can find many opportunities to grow. Like any other information system, GIS is also garbage in, garbage out kind of a system. It requires high quality of data prepared in a particular standard with topological connectivity and accuracy. In most of the cases, GIS data is first prepared with AutoCAD software or a drafting package. Here comes the role of data cleansing team, data conversion and data migration experts. They clean the data and convert the data from CAD format to any other format or to GIS compatible format which can be migrated to GIS platform. Large number of organizations provide this kind of a services. I know that Western countries usually outsource this kind of activity to countries like India where the labor is relatively cheap. I have seen many organizations earning large chunk of money just by providing manpower for performing field survey, GPS survey, data cleansing and data migration services. If you understand GIS data requirement and having interest in it, this is the area where you can develop your skills and grow in future. Once the data is available in GIS system, it requires trained professionals who know GIS software operations and applications. An expert with spatial thinking ability can apply GIS tools to various problem solving and identify new opportunities of improvement. GIS analysts know various tools and techniques available within GIS software that can be used to solve problems at hand. They combine information available from various sources, compile on GIS platform, and extract meaningful information which can help organization to enhance operational efficiency and effectiveness. GIS software usually comes with generic functionality which can be used to perform basic analysis. But most of the time, it is required to customize GIS software to support organization specific requirement and workflows. It is also required to integrate GIS system with various organizational legacy systems like ERP, vehicle tracking and crew management system and many other systems. This opens the opportunity for computer or IT professional who is having GIS application development expertise. GIS is no more a standalone system wherein a group of 4 to 5 people working within four walls and publishing thematic maps. Nowadays, GIS systems are being used across the platform within office, desktop, web, or mobile right onto the field. An expert with cross platform development expertise is always in demand in GIS industry. Imagine a condition wherein you are opening a web application on a computer and it is taking 30 to 40 seconds just to open the login page. I think you will not like it and you will avoid using the GIS system if it works like this. I mean that even if you have highly accurate data and top rated GIS software, but if the system performance is not up to the mark, you may find it useless. GIS system involves multiple components. First is database. It can be Oracle, SQL Server, or any other standard RDBMS which stores the GIS data and attribute data. On top of the database, other layer is GIS application and web server. Desktop team connects with the database and perform the day-to-day data updation and maintenance work. Web server connects with the database and publishes the data in the form of web services, which can be consumed by the user for viewing and analysis purpose. The third level of user is who access the GIS system from web and mobile. They consume the published services and analyze the data for their day-to-day operational requirement. All these components require high performance workstations, consistent network availability, and performance tuning of applications and database. All these components must perform in coordination to ensure optimum system performance. And here comes the role of a system architecture. System architecture person studies the GIS system requirement, number of user, data volume, type of application, query and analysis, and use this information to define system architecture, which involves server sizing, processing power, memory requirement, network connectivity, and bandwidth requirement. They also define data backup and recovery option, along with security, and access control of the data. An expert having this kind of a knowledge are always in demand, and they get the highest salary. Nowadays, everything is moving to cloud. So, an expert with cloud computing knowledge who can define the CI system architecture for cloud deployment are also in demand. Apart from that, there are various other opportunities in this GIS industry. If you know various phases of GIS implementation and experience of implementing GIS system for large organization, then you can consider provide project management consultancy to various organization. If you know business operation of a particular domain, for example, if you know the business operations of a utility industry, how they provide connection, how they handle day to day operation, how they do the budget planning, if you have this kind of understanding, then you can provide consultancy to them as a subject matter expert. If you are aware about operations of land record and management department, or if you know the business operations of a FMCG industry, then you can work as a subject matter expert of that particular industry. Nowadays, people consider freelancing rather than tying themselves to a particular job. Freelancing is an exciting opportunity. It allows taking diverse kind of a project and expand the GIS knowledge in various industry segment like government or corporate organization, utility, agriculture, or even in defense. So GIS is for everyone. GIS is just a tool, and with your spatial thinking ability, you can apply GIS in almost all areas. Applications of GIS are limitless. It is only limited by the ability of the user who is using it. It is not possible to cover applications of GIS in one slide. I have tried to summarize the applications of GIS based on my knowledge in which I have worked particularly. You can name the industry and you may find GIS can be used in one or the other way, be it asset management and facility mapping for utility industry, or land record mapping for government, or site selection for any FMCG organization. GIS is almost everywhere. GIS is being widely used for routing and navigation applications. Taxi services like Uber, food delivery services like Zomato, they are using GIS for their routing and navigation application. I was a part of one of the project wherein FFCG industry wanted to come out with a new outlet in the city, for which they were using GIS for site selection by combining various demographic and socio-economic information. So GIS is almost everywhere and it has tons of opportunity for every enthusiast. You just have to have some interest and enthusiasm to learn it and apply it. At the end, I would like to congratulate you all for selecting GIS as a career and wishing you great success ahead. Thank you.